Welcome back. Breathing is something we all do, but did you know that different breathing techniques can change how you feel? Let's start with understanding how shallow and deep breathing impact our mood. Shallow breathing, often associated with stress and anxiety, activates the fight or flight response, increasing feelings of tension. On the other hand, deep breathing, which engages the diaphragm, activates the rest and digest response, promoting relaxation and reducing stress. To reduce stress and anxiety, try diaphragmatic breathing, also known as abdominal breathing. Sit or lie down comfortably. Place one hand on your chest and the other hand on your abdomen. Inhale deeply through your nose, allowing your abdomen to rise. Exhale through your mouth, letting your abdomen fall. Repeat that for several minutes. This technique activates the parasympathetic nervous system, helping you to feel calmer. Another great technique is 4-4-6 breathing. Inhale through your nose for a count of 4. Hold your breath for a count of 4 and exhale through your mouth for a count of 6. Repeat for 4 to 8 cycles. This method calms your mind and body, reducing stress and promoting better sleep. To improve focus and clarity, try alternate nostril breathing. Sit comfortably and close your right nostril with your thumb. Inhale deeply through your left nostril. Close your left nostril with your ring finger and release your right nostril. Exhale through your right nostril and inhale through your right nostril. Close it and exhale through your left nostril. Repeat the cycle. This technique balances energy, calms the mind, and enhances focus. Need a quick energy boost? Try Kapalabhati, a skull shining breath. Sit comfortably with a straight spine. Take a deep breath in. As you exhale, contract your abdominal muscles sharply to push the air out in short bursts, keeping the inhalation passive. Perform 20 to 30 rapid breaths. This method energizes the body, clears the mind, and improves mood. Another energizing technique is bellows breath. Sit comfortably with a straight spine. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale forcefully through your nose with equal force. Continuing this rapid inhalation and exhalation for 10 to 20 breaths. This technique increases energy, clears the mind, and elevates mood. To promote relaxation and better sleep, try progressive relaxation breathing. Lie down in a comfortable position. Inhale deeply and tense a specific muscle group, for example, feet, legs, abdomen for a few seconds. Exhale and release the tension. Hold through each muscle group progressively. This technique promotes relaxation, reduces muscle tension, and enhances sleep quality. Breathing patterns significantly influence our mood and well-being. By incorporating these techniques into our daily routine, you can manage stress, improve focus, boost energy, and promote relaxation. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on living your best life. See you next time.